Hey, what's up, Dan? Kelly referred me over here, told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I just want to shoot over three free tips. I'm Corey with Key Leads, by the way. But these three tips, you can actually apply them to your website and actually draw in a lot more quality traffic to your site and really help grow your business as well. So, the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. First thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Everything that you see is content, even these images here, this is all content. Google sees it all. You got citing right there. You can actually be a little bit more specific with those keywords that are actually going inside there. That's going to help you draw more business in and really close down more leads by being a little bit more buyer's intent keywords up in those. So the first tip, change out those images, the content behind it. Also, I would be anywhere from about 15 to maybe 2,000 words on that first page, being really authoric in who you are, what you do. Plus, you need enough content to layer in those keywords, and those keywords are how people are actually searching for you and how you're being found, which I'll get into keywords in just a minute. But if I go inside of Google and just type in roofing Philadelphia, this is what you're going to see. You got Google guarantees here at the very top. This is just another form of paid advertisement. They came up with these to replace the old school ads, which they have some of them, a couple of those down at the bottom here. A lot of people have been going away with the old school ads just because they became very spammy. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. People do have ad blockers too, which they came out with those last year. So a lot of ads aren't even coming through. I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see here in just a minute. But underneath the ads, we have this little map pack. Some people call it a three pack because really all the traffic happens in the top three sections here. You can see the different businesses, also multiple pages, everybody competing to get to the top. And really to get to the very top in this little map pack area, or the Google My Business listing, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory. So you have all these different directories, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, you got the local best, City Star. There's thousands of them out there. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to completely outrank them. So what we'd want to do is go get maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations from what they have. So when Google comes by and does all their algorithms on your website or on your listing here in this Google My Business listing, they got no reason to put you in the very top for all that work that you've done on it. Underneath this map pack, we have that first page of Google. This is really where all that traffic actually happens on that first page. And really to get your website or those keywords on that first page from your website, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for all those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from you got links from all these different websites, just sharing a link back to you. And what that does is actually you're just gives you power, so that way you can actually get on that first page of Google. And not all backlinks are created equal. Kind of give you an example here. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, I'm going to do a quick overview. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So this is the last 3 months of your, this is from 2014. Here's a history of your site. The last 3 months here, you got 22 referring domains, pushing back 75 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 12,000 there. That just really comes down from those the credibility of those backlinks. 61 keywords that you're actually being found for, which those keywords are how people are actually searching for your website, which I'll get into that in just a sec, which you're getting 34 clicks to your website every month. You can actually come in and see where those clicks are coming from those keywords. So this is how your website is actually being found. You got phase 4 contracting, you got your name there, first position, getting a little bit of traffic there, 24/7 contracting. PA contractor, there you go. Your 63rd position, there's 50 clicks every month with that keyword there, which this isn't exactly, by the way, it's, kind of give or take numbers. They actually buy this information from Google, the Ahrefs here. Stone veneer installers near me, Pride contracting, phase 4, Montgomery, PA County. This is how you're being found. Here's a keyword: licensed contractors in PA. 40 clicks a month, your 94th position. So I want to give you an example here. I just want to look at your services. So whether you're looking for roofing, siding, interior renovations, kitchen, bathrooms, probably I'd assume in that. But let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Philly's Finest Roof. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs to do a quick overview. So 23 referring domains, pushing back over 115 backlinks there. So it really comes down by the quality of the backlink, where you're getting those links from. 340 clicks, or excuse me, 340 keywords that they're actually being found for, which is giving them 377 clicks to their website on average every month. Coming in, seeing those where those clicks are coming from. So here's first position. They have a couple second positions in there, but all the way to here's first position, and then third position, Roof Repair Philadelphia. There's 90 clicks a month. 9 clicks out of the 90. That's a like what's 10%. So not a bad ROI, even being on a third position there. But first position for Roofer Philadelphia, PA, 30 clicks a month. He's getting 11 clicks to his website every month. I mean, even if it only lands 1 or 2 deals out of the 11 clicks, he's still drumming up a decent amount of business there. Roofer in Philadelphia, 150 clicks. Roofing Philadelphia, another 100 clicks. He's getting 32 clicks out of the 150, 31 clicks out of the 100. So coming in and finding all these different keywords and making sure you're which keywords you actually want that's actually going to drive business for you, and making sure you're doing enough backlinking so you can get in on that first page of Google, so you can actually get a decent amount of return from that total volume. But anyway, hopefully that all made sense, because I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, help get to where you're going. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to talking soon. Thanks, and have a great day.